Hey there! Welcome to PureHaven South Africa. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to sign up as an affiliate and give you a tour of your dashboard so you can start earning right away. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to PureHaven-SA.co.za. This is where all the magic happens. Scroll down to the bottom of the page or check the menu and click on Affiliate Program. That is your gateway to joining. Step 3. We need to fill out the form to get you registered. Scroll down on the Affiliate Program page and click on Affiliate Dashboard. You can also find this in your menu. Now just pop in your details, your name, email. Keep it simple and professional. Remember, the system uses your ID for referral links, so don't stress if you can't customize it. Administration will do this for you. Agree to the terms. Give the terms and conditions a quick read, tick the box, and you're good to go. Submit your application by clicking Register, and you're on your way. You'll get a confirmation email once your application is approved. When you're done, you can log out safely. Just click your profile icon in the top right and select Log Out Easy. Now we're going to go to the dashboard tour. All right, you're signed up and logged in. You'll land on our affiliate dashboard. This is your control center. Everything you need to track your success is right here. Commissions, your current balance, the amount of visits, everything you need in one place. So on the Commission tab, this shows how much you've earned from referrals. Right now, my balance is R0 because I haven't made any sales yet, but yours will start climbing as soon as people register through your link. Visits. This tells you how many people have clicked your affiliate link. You'll see the total visits today, and your conversion rate. For example, I've got 16 visits so far, but no conversions yet. Don't worry, conversions will come as you share more. Now we head on to payments. This section shows what's been paid out to you, so you can keep track of your earnings history. Now we move on to the link generator. Here is the fun part. The link generator is where you grab your unique affiliate link to share with friends, family, or on social media. Just copy it and start spreading the word. You can also generate a custom URL per product or module right here. You can then copy that URL and share it all over. Finally, we move on to the settings. This is where you can update your details, and you can make sure everything is correct, like filling in your bank account details for commission payouts. So a quick recap. Commissions is your earnings, visits is your traffic, payments are your payouts, link generator is your personal sharing tool, and setting, you can see your personal information. And that's it. You've seen how to register and how to use your dashboard. Simple, clear, and easy to use. The more you share your link, the more those numbers will grow. So go ahead, register today, grab your link, and start earning with PureHaven South Africa.